Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Cadillac XT6 and we're going to do the lower chrome delete installation on the doors for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the chrome panels. It's just your regular factory chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color of the pillars and it also gives the vehicle a more sportier look. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. So with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So all you need is water, baby shampoo, mixed together in the spray bottle. Then you spray it onto a clean marked fire towel and just start removing any contaminants that the panel may have. And also make sure that everything's completely dry afterwards. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. So once you prep the panel, now we can start with the installation. So you can place the film onto the panel itself, that edge first. That way we have both hands free to work around this area. And all we have to do is just make sure we place the film and give ourselves enough material to cover the chrome section here. So now that we place the film, we won't tack it down completely. So we're just going to follow the design of the panel with the alignment and using the top section as reference to align the film until you reach it here. And now we're just slowly, little by little, tacking down the film, working from top, making our way to the bottom. So just help it around this curve area with your finger, help it on top, and then just help it with the rest of the film. So squeegee at an angle, that way you don't accidentally crease the film. If you do feel like it's going to crease, take your time, lift it, readjust it, and just tack it back down. And just do it for the rest of the panel. And then you are going to notice that the front panel has the letterings of the XT6 engraved onto the panel. For this part, we're going to apply heat. That way we help the film tack down. And also we're going to pin a hole on the lettering. That way if you have any bubbles, we could remove them when we puncture where the bubble is located. So apply heat around the area where the lettering is located. And just help the film form to the lettering. And if you do have those air bubbles, then that's when we would come with the pointy needle or something like a blade, make a release cut and just remove the air trapped behind the lettering. So if you have any air bubbles, puncture a hole where the bubble is located and then remove the air bubble. That'll be the easiest way to go about this, and since the hole is very small, it won't damage the film. And you'll just do it wherever there's air bubble, and that's pretty much it. And you just rinse and repeat until everything is tacked down. And now you just come back, trim off all this excess material we don't need. So there's a small gap here where you could insert the blade and remove the excess material. So you could do an outline first of where you need to trim, and then we would trim off the excess material. And then trim off the excess material on the edge. And if you have any on top, you will also trim it off. Okay, so for the rear piece, it's almost the same thing as how we did it with the front piece. The only difference is you start from this edge, make sure you align it, and use the top half as the guide in order to align the film. Once you place the film, you just grab your squeegee and tack everything down. So it's a little bit more similar to the front one. The only difference is it's smaller and it's more straightforward to install. So once you do this one, you'll get the hang of this one. And just make sure you remove all the air bubbles, tack down everything, and then we'll trim off any extra material. And if you need to lift it and realign it, you can. And then you will come, trim off extra material. And the last step would be to post heat. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to post heat the entire panel. So all you need to do is just apply heat all over the panel, making sure we help any film is still lifting, tacking it back down. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the lower Chrome Delete installation for the doors for the 2021 Cadillac XT6. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.